Homeowners in Celebration, Florida, enjoy beautiful weather year-round, but with that sunshine also comes heat, humidity, and rising energy costs. Keeping a home comfortable without overworking your air conditioning system can be a challenge, especially if your windows are outdated or inefficient. That's where energy-efficient window replacement comes in. Beyond enhancing your home's appearance, modern energy-saving windows deliver real, measurable benefits that can save you money month after month, and continue to pay off for years to come. Here's how replacing your old windows with energy-efficient ones creates long-term cost savings for your Celebration home. Lower monthly energy bills in Celebration's warm, humid climate. Cooling your home accounts for a significant portion of your energy expenses. Old or single-pane windows allow heat to transfer easily into your home, making your air conditioner work harder to maintain a comfortable temperature. Energy-efficient windows are designed to minimize this heat transfer. They feature low emissivity coatings that reflect solar heat while allowing natural light inside. Double or triple pane glass that traps insulating air or gas between layers. Argon or krypton gas fills that reduce temperature transfer. Advanced frame materials that prevent heat and cold from seeping through. By maintaining a more stable indoor temperature, these windows help your HVAC system run more efficiently. Homeowners can often see energy bill reductions of 15 to 25%. A savings that adds up substantially over the years. Reduced HVAC wear and tear. When your home's windows are inefficient, your air conditioner has to cycle on and off more frequently to compensate for fluctuating indoor temperatures. Over time, this extra workload increases energy use and can lead to expensive repairs or early replacement of your HVAC system. Energy-efficient windows create a more consistent climate indoors, reducing the strain on your heating and cooling equipment. With less stress on your system, you'll enjoy lower maintenance costs, fewer repairs, extended lifespan for your HVAC unit. This indirect savings is often overlooked but can easily amount to thousands of dollars over the life of your system. Increased property value. Energy-efficient upgrades are among the most attractive features for today's homebuyers. In Celebration's competitive real estate market, homes with modern, efficient windows stand out as smarter, more sustainable investments. According to national remodeling data, window replacement projects often yield a return on investment, ROI, between 70% and 80% when selling a home. Buyers are willing to pay more for a house that promises lower utility costs, improved comfort, and updated curb appeal. Even if you're not planning to sell soon, installing energy-efficient windows adds long-term equity and helps future-proof your home's market value. Protection from UV damage. Florida's abundant sunshine can cause fading and deterioration in furniture, flooring, and fabrics over time. The ultraviolet, UV, rays that pass through standard glass can gradually damage your interiors, leading to costly replacements. Energy-efficient windows are equipped with UV blocking technology that filters out up to 90% of harmful rays, protecting your home's interior finishes. This added protection means you'll spend less money replacing faded decor or refinishing sun-damaged surfaces, saving you money over the long term. Lower maintenance costs. High-quality energy-efficient windows are built with durable materials like vinyl, fiberglass, or composite frames that resist warping, rotting, and corrosion, especially valuable in Celebration's humid climate. Unlike traditional wooden frames that require repainting or sealing, modern window materials need only minimal upkeep. Over time, this means no costly refinishing or repainting, less maintenance work, a longer lifespan for your windows. With proper installation and periodic cleaning, your new energy-efficient windows can last 20 to 30 years or more, continuing to perform like new while saving you money every season. Year-round comfort and peace of mind. In addition to financial savings, energy-efficient windows create a more comfortable living environment. You'll experience fewer drafts, more consistent temperatures, and reduced noise from outside. This added comfort translates to higher satisfaction and better quality of life, value that goes beyond your wallet. When installed professionally, these windows can also improve your home's insulation and humidity control, helping prevent mold and moisture damage, another hidden cost saver for Celebration homeowners. Final thoughts for residents of Celebration: investing in energy-efficient window replacement is more than a home improvement project, it's a long-term financial decision. By reducing energy consumption, extending HVAC life, protecting your home's interiors, and enhancing property value, these windows deliver savings that continue for decades. While the upfront cost may seem significant, the return on investment, both in energy savings and home value, is undeniable. When you choose high-quality materials and professional installation, you're not just upgrading your windows, you're investing in a more efficient, durable, and valuable home. If you're ready to enjoy lower utility bills, year-round comfort, and lasting savings, now is the perfect time to explore energy-efficient window replacement for your Celebration home.